Hey, what's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thanks for watching this quick video. I'm going to go ahead and order some base coat online here. I could actually get this stuff a little cheaper at my local auto body supply, about 8 miles away, 6 to 8 miles away. But I'm so busy around the house today. I got to do a few things, and I just would rather just buy it online and not even worry about it. So I've bought paint from Restoration Shop before. I'm on tcpglobal.com. They have good products. Once in a while I do buy products from here. So I'm going to be doing a special project very soon, documenting everything step by step in VIP. So if you're a VIP, you're going to be getting this update project. Super cool. We're going to be doing a lot of heavy metal flake and candy products as well. So I'm just picking out a couple of base coats here. You can see that I got titanium gray metallic right here, and I'm also getting the sterling silver metallic. Actually, I might just get one of them, so I'm just going to add this to cart as well. I'm also going to get a quart of black base coat. So let's just go back to here. We'll go to Restoration Shop products. Not a bad base coat. I just wanted to show you when buying, right? Let's just find the black color really quickly. When buying this, see, this is the Fire Mist purple that I did the door with. A lot of you guys were like, what's that purple you were spraying with? This is that actual Fire Mist purple that I was doing the other day in my video right here. Fire Mist Purple 29. I painted my daughter's quad with this. Came out beautiful, and I did the door. It's a really nice metallic purple. Really nice. And I just wanted to cover the paint systems really quickly for you. So let me just find a black cherry pearl. Pretty cool. Hopefully they have just a plain black. It doesn't look shades of black. Jet black, gloss, hot rod black, chassis black, boulevard black. I like the jet black. Okay, so it shows that it's gloss. So there's different types of kits here. You can get the kit in an enamel. Now, acrylic enamel means you just get your main color, which is in the gallon here, right? You get your wet look hardener. Okay, so that's just a hardener that it basically enamel systems don't require clear coat. It's like woman's nail polish. You just paint it on. It's acrylic enamel, and that's pretty much done. Okay, acrylic urethane, pretty much the same thing. Okay, it's just a better quality. Okay, a more more expensive quality here. Gallon kit, single stage. Let's see if there's any pricing. It doesn't show me pricing right here. 109. Okay, so let's go back and see what the oh shit, can I go back? Okay, let's go see. Oh, man, I gotta start all over. Let's go see what this comes out to for a gallon kit. Gallon only, single stage enamel. Probably gonna be a little bit cheaper, 77. So you're paying a little bit more for a better enamel system. It's just like getting synthetic versus acrylic enamel. Okay, and then as we go down here, we got lacquer. I mean, not too many people spray with lacquer nowadays. And then we got base coat. All right, so you got the basic urethane base coat, which I've gotten, and then you got the low VOC, supposed to be better for the environment, better for your health. It's not like you're smoking it. But I'm going to actually get this one right here and test this out. I've never tested out this version that they had. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick up. So base coat, you basically mix your base coat with reducer, and I do have reducer, so I don't need to actually buy a kit. I'm going to be using my Omni reducer. You could use pretty much any kind of reducers if you want with this. All right. Let's see. So we're just going to get quart only. And then if you see medium means that's the reducer, medium reducer. Okay. And then it has a premium reducer. They're always trying to sell you something more than you need. All right. So quart only, $64. It's about the same price. So I'm going to get a quart of black. I'm going to double check my cabinet though. I might have a quart of black with me. So I'm going to get a quart of black and a quart of silver. If I have enough black, I'm just going to get a silver. I'm probably going to go to titanium gray. It looks a little silverish to me. Hopefully these are the right images for the colors though. That's the thing. Sterling silver metallic. I kind of like the titanium gray metallic. So let's go with that. as far as a silver goes. So I'm going to go ahead and check out here and get these colors here because we're going to be doing some candy and a lot of silver flake, metal flake. All right, so it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. If you want to learn more about auto body, just click the link right up over here at the top right of your screen here to get a free auto body book, and also check out VIP. And if you're looking for a great spray gun, I actually have a coupon code for you. If you click below this video, if you're on YouTube, look below the video. I have a coupon code where you can actually try one of the Atom spray guns here for $25 off any spray gun you want. It's an amazing gun. These are the only spray guns that I use to spray with nowadays. I used to promote the Warwicks. Quality control went bad, so I just stopped promoting them. Now I am promoting the Atoms. Once you spray with these, you're going to love them. Check out the X27 model. It's actually a very close version of the SATA 5000, but for pretty much 1/3 the cost. High-end quality spray guns here at Zula.com. Check them out. There's going to be a coupon code below this video. Comment below. Let me know what you think. I hope you have a great weekend. It's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Give a like, subscribe, and I'll keep you posted on the next projects. And we're going to be doing a Q&A next week, Thursday. Sorry, this week, Thursday, I got too busy. But we're at least going to do these twice a month. So next week, Thursday, we're going to be doing a live Q&A. I'll talk to you soon. Check out Zula.com for Atom spray guns. And we also have metal flakes here as well, and pearls. Okay, so these are actually the metal flakes that we're going to be using on the project. I'm going to be using the Ultra Silver Mini Flake right here on our project. We might even be using some rainbow, but I can't wait to show you this next project we're going to be working on. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Comment below. Bye.